to see you again, and thank you for watching Cooking with an Italian. Thank you very much for all of you watching us. Anyway, today we're going to make something very easy, super tasty, but it's so quickly to do, and even it's not too expensive to cook for the family. We're gonna cook pastry pizza. I give this name because I don't know in English which name I'm gonna give, because in Italian languages I'm gonna make some pizzette di pasta sfoglia. They're very cute, very nice if you have some friend at home. You know, you make this in 15, well, in half an hour. Okay, the cooking time. Anyway, we need a few ingredients. Later you can put anything you like, but we need some pastry. I bought it from the supermarket. I'm gonna use some basil, parmesan, salt, oregano, pepper, oil and tomato. But this version I make is not, you know, obligatory that you can use your fantasy and you can make any flavor you like. Okay, I'm gonna show you how easy it is. Very important, in the tray for the oven, put some baking paper. Okay, sometimes I'm forgot. Okay, some oil inside, and we try to put more or less everywhere. Well, we're gonna use more oil later. Okay, just like that. Perfetto. Now take your paste, very delicate, you know. As well, the form I'm going to make is not obligatory, you know. You can use any form you like. Okay, I'm going to cut this, and later and it's going to be a little bit like that in four. Okay, and we put on the side just like that. Now what we can do, take some tomato and chop it, like roll it, you know, like that. Okay, I want to chop this tomato, and later I'm gonna show you the rest. But guys, always, if you like this video, share with friends, subscribe on the channel, and check our website cookingwithanitalia.com. When this is ready, I'm gonna show you the next step. Okay guys, tomato is ready. Now what we're gonna do, some oil again. Take your tomato just like this. Later, depend how big is your pastry. Okay, some oregano, salt, black pepper, couple pieces of basil. On the top we can add some parmesan or any cheese you like. Okay, when you do this, take your pastry just like that. Try to make sure and cover it like that. Okay, job done guys. Okay, this I show you another one. This is what we're gonna do. Press a little bit and I show you another one. 1, 2, some basil, salt, oregano. We in Italy we call pizzette, like a pizza. Some parmesan. Here I forgot to put some oil, but I can add now. Okay, and again try to do that. Okay, now when all my pastry gonna be ready, I'm gonna show you next step. But preheat your oven around 200 degrees, and later I'm gonna be more precise about how long we're gonna cook this. It's gonna be absolutely al bacio. Okay, see you later. Okay guys, my last one. Now this going in the oven 200 degrees. I'm gonna leave this half an hour, but later I'm gonna be more precise. Okay, see you in half an hour. Oh, I just want to show you they start growing. You see? See you soon. Okay guys, my pastry pizza is very easy even to turn it. I forgot to show you on camera, to be honest. And they cooked 20 minutes, 200 degrees. They already 15 minutes out from the oven. And now is the time to try it, because the smell is absolutely, this burn here is just the crispy, the oil, and the parmesan, okay? Unbelievable! Absolutely delicious, wow! Another masterpiece. Super nice. Guys, best pizza or pizzetta di pasta sfoglia is this, guys. Absolutely delicious. I want to show you again. Anyway, if you like,
Finger up and follow us. Ciao.
always ciao.